If you were given a spaceship traveling at a speed of 1 light year per second, where would you end up? The speed of light travels around the Earth 7 times a second. But if it's light years per second, in 1 second, you can fly out of the solar system. In less than 20 seconds, you can reach Sirius, the brightest star in the sky. In half a minute you'll be at Cancer 55e, which is full of diamonds. Bring back more than you can spend in your life. 10 minutes later, you can see Kepler 22b, a potentially habitable exoplanet. The environment here is very similar to Earth. Given our current technology, it would take us over 10 million years to get here. In 2 hours, the most impressive pillars of creation will emerge before your eyes. It is also listed as one of the top 10 images taken by the Hubble telescope. In 6 hours, you'll be sailing out of the galaxy. When you look back at the Milky Way, you will be surprised to find that the Milky Way is so dreamy and intoxicating. After a month's flight, you'll reach the Andromeda Galaxy, which is much larger than the Milky Way and has at least 1 trillion stars. In 120 days, you will sail out of the local group of more than 50 galaxies, including the Solar System and Andromeda. 3 years later, you'll discover that the local group of galaxies is actually part of a much larger group of galaxies. It's the Virgo supercluster. 16 years later you can see a feathery piece of the Laniakea supercluster. The Milky Way is just a speck in its feather. 100 years later, TUN 618, the largest black hole in the universe, arrived. After traveling more than 1,000 years, you've reached the edge of the observable universe, which is about 46.5 billion light-years from Earth, but it's not really the edge of the universe. Because a radius of 46.5 billion light-years is as far as we can tell, some astronomers believe that there is still so much space out there that we can't really go to the edge of the universe.